Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Okay. So this is Max & Sons Parfum. We are opening the what's the name of this? From Lavender perfume. Removing the plastic. Lavender or Elventure. Yes, it's okay. Okay, so this is the box. So open the box. Oh, look, Perry, look at na. Ooh, I told you na. Very nice design. Oh, luxury. You can see how it looks very good. And the liquid inside is like a color like green, light green. You can test na. Okay. You can spray. You can use. Wait. One more. I told you I say almost the same na. Oh. Great Aventus also. This is the Adventure by Haramain. Okay, this is the box. Very good box. Yes. So this is the box, very good box. You can put the product inside like this. Put here. It's really good. So this is Max & Sons Parfum. This is the unboxing of Lavender Haramain.
Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like the video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concerns in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit the bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.